Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best chef knives under $100 that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a home chef, a cooking enthusiast, or someone who just appreciates a sharp and reliable kitchen tool, this guide has got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Starting off our list at the number 5 spot, we have the iCruto 3-piece kitchen knife set. While this set includes more than just a chef knife, its versatile design makes it worth considering if you're looking for an all-in-one solution. The set features a chef knife, a santoku knife, and a utility knife, all crafted with high-carbon stainless steel blades. This material ensures excellent sharpness and edge retention, making your cutting tasks smooth and efficient. Plus, the ergonomic pocketwood handles are both comfortable and elegant, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. In terms of design and build quality, the knives are full tang, meaning the blade extends through the handle for added durability and balance. The pocketwood handles also give the knives a premium feel, though they may require a bit of extra care to maintain their luster. Performance-wise, this set is great for those who need a variety of knives for different kitchen tasks, from slicing vegetables to carving meats. However, the included sharpener feels like an afterthought and doesn't add much value. The biggest strength of the iCruto set is its value. You're getting 3 knives for the price of 1, making it ideal for beginners or anyone outfitting a new kitchen. That said, this set may not appeal to purists looking for a single, high-performance chef knife. Pros include the versatility, aesthetic appeal, and affordability, while cons include the bulkier storage requirements and the fact that it's not dishwasher safe. If you're looking for a set to cover all your bases, this could be a great pick. At number 4, we have the Knife Saga 2025 upgraded nakiri chef knife. This uniquely designed 7-inch nakiri knife is perfect for those who focus on vegetable prep and Asian-style cooking. The blade is crafted from Japanese next-gen stainless steel with optimized carbon content, offering exceptional sharpness with a 10-degree edge. The Granton design on the blade prevents food from sticking, making your chopping tasks much more efficient. The Knife Saga nakiri knife stands out for its meticulous design. The handle is made from natural wood and features a half bolster for enhanced stability and a comfortable grip. This ergonomic design ensures minimal hand fatigue even during long cooking prep sessions. Despite its premium build, this knife is slightly heavier at 1.1 pounds, which could be a drawback for users accustomed to lighter knives. In terms of performance, it excels at chopping vegetables and herbs with precision. However, its design limits its versatility for tasks like slicing meats or mincing garlic. This knife is an excellent choice for home chefs who specialize in plant-based dishes or want a dedicated vegetable knife. Pros include its sharpness, reduced food sticking, and ergonomic handle, while cons include its heavier weight and limited versatility compared to a traditional chef knife. With a lifetime warranty and a 100-day hassle-free return policy, Knife Saga shows confidence in their product, making it a solid pick for those looking for a specialized blade. Coming in at number 3, the Dexter-Russell S145 10PCP 8-inch chef's knife from the Sani-Safe series is a trusted option for both home and professional kitchens. Known for its durability, this knife features a stain-free, high-carbon stainless steel blade that is individually ground and honed for sharpness and longevity. The deep choil design protects your knuckles, making it safer and easier to use during heavy prep work. The handle is made of textured polypropylene, providing a slip-resistant grip. While the handle doesn't have the premium feel of wood or santoprene, it's designed to meet NSF certification standards for professional kitchen hygiene. The blade's wide curve allows for an effortless rocking motion, making it great for chopping and mincing. However, its utilitarian design may not win any style points, and it feels more functional than luxurious. This knife is best suited for those who prioritize practicality and reliability over aesthetics. Its American-made craftsmanship and long-standing reputation make it a reliable choice for busy kitchens. Pros include its sharpness, safety features, and hygienic design, while cons include its less ergonomic handle and plain appearance. Overall, it's a workhorse of a knife that gets the job done with no frills. Sliding into the number 2 spot, we have the Mercer Culinary M20608 Genesis 8-inch chef's knife. This knife is a favorite among home cooks and professionals alike for its high-carbon German steel blade, which is precision-forged for durability and sharpness. The taper-ground edge ensures smooth, efficient cutting, making it a versatile tool for chopping, mincing, and slicing. The handle is made from santoprene, a durable material that provides a comfortable, non-slip grip even when wet. This ergonomic design, combined with the knife's balanced weight, makes it comfortable to use for extended periods. The Genesis knife is hand wash only, which may require extra care, but this is a small trade-off for its exceptional performance. The blade's sharpness and edge retention are impressive, and it shines in tasks like dicing onions, shredding cabbage, and crushing garlic. This knife is perfect for anyone looking for a high-quality option without breaking the bank. Pros include its sharpness, comfort, and durable build, while cons include its lack of dishwasher compatibility and slightly heavier weight. With a lifetime warranty, the Genesis knife offers peace of mind and excellent value for money.